Well, good day. Funny enough, I came up to feed some sunflower seeds and peanuts and whatnots for my white squirrel that tends to be in this area of trees. And I saw a wing down on the ground, and then I discovered this little fellow on the ground. And I'm kind of wondering if he was a fresh I don't know how this whole operation thing works. I think he's a fresh emerger out of some of these other little critters here that I found out are just littered all over. I started pouring out my seeds, and it was like, holy crap, there's shells all over the place. So I'm wondering, because I saw like this wing here, and this, oh, well, wouldn't you know? How about that? So, my friend, I'm gonna have to kind of just, here, I'll just lay my hand on the ground while, oh my gosh. I don't have my glasses on, daggone it, so now I'm gonna have to watch. Oh, I forgot that I had you on my hand. Sorry, pal, I wanted to get a little closer and try. Daggone. I'm gonna have to pause the action. I gotta get my glasses. Way back, and then I discovered, oh no, daggone, I do have to go because there's sunglasses. That's not gonna poker. Okay, so pause again. Okay, we've returned back with glasses. Alright, yeah, that thing is really cool. But I'm wondering if these daggone ants didn't even let it get out of its shell before it even had a chance. But it seems our other one here is starting to do a little bit of movement on its own now. Maybe that daggone loud noise. Good grief. Boy, I'm just seeing them all over now. It's hard for me to, oh, it's through that grass blade. Uh-oh. Oh, got somebody yelling at us because I'm sorry, friend. I'm blocking the food, I know. I just had another one fall out of the tree. And then, I mean, they're just everywhere. I mean, holy cannoli, man. It's just, I adjusted my focus. Now it's having a hard time. Daggone it. Let's get back to one. All right, man. And it was almost, it took me so long, it felt like, having to watch my step coming up through here. But I have to be careful because now that I'm seeing them, it's like they're every freaking where. So awesome. I want to say it's to you know, be paying attention enough to find this stuff very interesting. However, I just have to say, daggone, the ants, and you know what, maybe even I would imagine the squirrels, you know, they also might be an eater of these little bugs. I mean, they're just pocketed everywhere. And this one, I feel like he's maybe damaged or unfurling. I'm not quite certain. I'm not a bugologist. Maybe he should be in the sun. I'm not going to touch him. However, daggone, is that one half gone? I mean, oh my gosh. I can't tell if that's half gone or if, I think that's half gone. Oh my gosh, they're just some, holy cow. There is some kind of war going on in here. I mean, holy moly, squirrels are just, I mean, I don't even know what's happened with that one. If that's in a paused status or if it's already been got. Oh my goodness, I'm getting the heck out of here. There are some vicious things out here. Ants maybe, and oh my gosh. All right, well, you know what? Until some more wonderful, we'll talk soon. I love you.